Hello from Advocacy Tasmania.
I am Jane.
And I'm Mark.
On behalf of our team, we want to say a huge thank you to you for selecting us in the finalist of the Community Award category. It's such a great recognition and we are really thrilled. Every Advocacy Tasmania employee has found themselves working here for the same reason. We are all compelled to see injustice made right, to fight for the right of our clients, and to change systems that strip people of dignity and choice. We might be from a small place, but our mission is big. We want a caring, equitable, and inclusive society where human rights are so ingrained and protected that organizations like ours will no longer be needed.
Working with our clients to have their rights restored is what we do day to day. Without our support, our clients would likely continue to be ignored. So we will keep going with this important work and make services and systems accountable and respectful of human rights. In the last few years, we've also campaigned to change Tasmania's broken guardianship and administration system, the oldest and most draconian in the country. Guardianship and administration systems across Australia are inherently cruel and dehumanising. They treat people as being less than human, and they make them fight, often for years, to enjoy basic human rights. This is a true national shame. Our work will continue until this system is replaced.
Thank you once again for this recognition. It means a lot to every member of our team.